Hey everybody, it's G Levitt, and today I'm introducing you to Brett Jenson, who flew in here to Newport Beach. What did you fly in here today for, Brett?
Yep. I'm excited to be here. I flew in here to build my own portfolio of equities through G's new program of technology for equity. It's the most amazing program that I've ever come across, and G's an amazing guy. They've got a great program, and I can build a portfolio that can build my retirement account and build a legacy for my family forever. It's amazing, and without not too much work.
Well said.
It's crazy.
Well said. So, anyway, if you're interested in building an equity portfolio, owning a percentage of other companies without having to invest any money into those companies, we should have a chat. So, it's just kind of that simple. If you've got a lot of relationships, if you know businesses who are looking to exit or looking to build massive valuations, I think we might be able to make something happen, do some collaboration. If that's true, feel free to reach out or comment.